Now, whenever you think of your future value annuities formula, you want to keep in mind that you will use this formula whenever you have read like a few specific keywords. Now, those keywords are, now a sinking fund is basically an investment in the sense that today I can buy a new car. However, in 5 years' time, it's going to be old. So let's say this new car costs 50,000 Rand. When it's now old in 5 years' time, it will most probably cost something like 10,000 Rand. With a sinking fund, what I could do is in 5 years' time, the new model of this car might cost 80,000 Rand. Now, a sinking fund is basically the difference between the value of my old car and the value of the new model that I may want to purchase, in the sense that my sinking fund here is 70,000. So that's what you want to keep in mind whenever you think of a sinking fund. A sinking fund is money that you basically put aside every year, monthly, whichever way you want, in order for you to replace something that is gradually losing value. So the example here, we said I have a new car today, 5 years from now it's old and it is only worth 10,000 Rand. However, the new model costs 80,000 Rand. Now, the sinking fund, if I want to replace this car after 5 years, would be 70,000 Rand, in the sense that in a space of 5 years, I need to be putting money aside so that in 5 years' time, I've accumulated at least 70,000 Rand, so that in a space of 5 years, I can immediately just trade in the vehicle and then go to the bank, take out the money I have been investing in 5 years' time, and then just go get a new model. So that's what a sinking fund is. Whenever you have questions on sinking funds, you will be using your future value annuities formula. So other keywords to look out for is things like regular investments. So as long as you're investing money or putting money aside monthly, you will also need to be using your future value annuities formula. Other keywords are words like annual pension or words like a savings plan. Words in this manner, or these four words, you want to think of them as keywords that will indicate that whatever question you are being asked will need you to use your future value annuities formula. These are a few examples of the kinds of words you want to look out for.